You're just in time. Pookie's knocked about over. What are we waiting for? Shh. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I wanted it at a Pookie for your birthday. I think it's a say. Good, good, caca. Happy birthday, Pookie. Oh no, he's snoring. What happened to Goo Goo Gaga Kiki? I had no idea, kid. Pookie woke up your nap. Watch. There, Pookie. Mommy's here. Why is he snoring, Mom? I'm not sure. Could you give me some water? Nope, it's not hungry. How about some baby toy? Why is she snoring? I got one. Look at me, I'm a dodo bird. Squawk, squawk. I'm a jabbalo. And I'm a porcupine. What do you think? Any idea yet? Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Wing the Balloon Man. I'm here to the incredible. Let's make some sword. You got it up, monkey? Not yet. Then, kaboo! Right. That was so funny, isn't it, right? I hope it's alright that you're snoring. Better use the prostate.